Hi, I'm Ashley Godwin with Endura Products, here to talk about Endura's new Multi-Point Astragal and some of its features and benefits in French door units. Let's start off by talking about why you need a multi-point lock in your French door system. French door units are very difficult to seal tightly because the active door must seal very well against the weather strip on the Astragal. Unfortunately, over time, wood doors as well as fiberglass and 8/0 doors tend to move. That's called deflection. When the air pressure against the door becomes greater than even 10 or 15 miles per hour, you tend to get movement of that door and then air and water infiltration. Let's take a look at what I mean by that. As you can see, any pressure against the top or bottom of the door moves the door panel away from the Astragal. So typically what you have is only 1 or 2 points of locking at the deadbolt. What Endura has discovered is that you need the top and bottom locking points as well to get any kind of performance out of a French door unit. With the Multi-Point Astragal, we've combined all of the features and benefits of our Ultimate Astragal with the multi-point locking system encapsulated in the Astragal. Let's see that a little bit closer. Endura's Multi-Point Astragal is based on the unique Ultimate Astragal. The Ultimate Astragal recognized some of the problems with typical Astragals, which rely upon a boot at the bottom of the Astragal to seal against the door sill. The Ultimate Astragal eliminated that boot with a floating boot sealing system. In the Multi-Point Astragal, we've taken it a step further so that both the upper and lower flush bolts and their seals are driven off an easy-to-use flip lever. So as you can see, the flip lever is incorporated into the Astragal itself. With one easy motion, I can open the door by pushing the flip lever up as it drives the upper and lower flush bolts simultaneously out of the way so I can open the door freely. Closing the door is just the opposite. As I move the Astragal into place, I flip the lever and you can see the upper and lower flush bolts moving into place. The sealing system locks down, preventing air or water infiltration into your home. Another feature of the Multi-Point Astragal is that the flush bolts are based upon a spring-loaded system, meaning that no matter how deep the hole is drilled into the sill or the header, the Multi-Point Astragal sealing system is going to seat itself against its deepest point. Let's talk about how Endura's Multi-Point Astragal is different. What Endura has designed is incorporating the multi-point locking feature into the component itself, doing away with much of the labor going into installing traditional multi-point locking systems and eliminating the need for special hardware. This is a salesman sample of Endura's Multi-Point Astragal. Take a look at the strike plate and deadbolt area. The Multi-Point Astragal works off the action of the deadbolt, pushing into the deadbolt actuator. What that action does is drive locking paws at the top and the bottom of the Astragal around, which in turn engages a feature in the active door. The Multi-Point Astragal Showroom display is a powerful marketing tool with attractive information graphics affixed to the physical product to interest and educate your customers. With this showroom display, you're able to touch and feel the sample to get a better understanding of the function and performance of the high-quality product produced by Endura. On this sample, you're shown only the bottom locking paw and the floating boot sealing system. This provides an easy way to demonstrate how the system works with a sill and door panel represented, without having to demonstrate how the product functions with only the Astragal salesman sample. Let's look on the full-size Astragal to see how that happens here. Again, on the Astragal, I have my strike and deadbolt plates. Once the deadbolt actuator is pushed, it rotates the locking paw at the bottom and the top around. So as I mentioned, the locking paws will come around and engage these keepers, which are only surface routed on the edge of the door panel. As I close the door and engage the deadbolt, you can see the locking paw coming around and engaging on the action of a standard deadbolt. How easy is it? Let me show you. Door units deflect under pressure, but by engaging the Multi-Point Astragal, you can see that we eliminate that deflection. In fact, Endura's Multi-Point Astragal and door units have tested at levels which exceed those exhibited in units with traditional multi-point locking systems, and it's as easy as turning the deadbolt. So we have a multi-point locking product which can be incorporated at a value into almost any French door unit. It can be sold at a fraction of the cost of traditional multi-point locking systems, enabling you to get out there and sell a performance product with security and protection against air and water infiltration.